At Tarmac, we carry out an annual plant shutdown of our cement plant, which involves up to 200 contractors working approximately 40,000 hours. It goes without saying that ensuring the health, safety and welfare of our contractors is our central focus, and we've developed management systems which would help us ensure this is effectively achieved.
The process of using these management systems starts 7 months before the shutdown with initial planning. This involves gathering the information on what tasks will be included in the shutdown scope and mapping out which contractors will be used on site. This information is used to complete the F10 form, which informs the HSE that the project is taking place. It is also used to create the project construction phase plan, which sets out how we intend to manage the health and safety of our employees and contractors during the shutdown.
It's reassuring for us to know that Tarmac puts such focus into creating a safe environment for us to work in. We're invited to pre-shutdown planning meetings where we're consulted on proposals and involved in understanding and setting the standards which we'll need to maintain. It's also good to see how Tarmac is constantly looking at how it can improve its health and safety performance through systems. More recently, this has included matching contractors' competencies to tasks. 2 months prior to the shutdown, we're asked to update the Tarmac contractor database with training records so a competency assessment can be developed for each individual contractor. On the day of the shutdown, we're all asked to attend an induction which sets out site hazards we need to be aware of. It also lets everybody know what standards and behaviours will be expected whilst we are on site. Plant isolations and permit to work are put in place to control the tasks we undertake. The isolations are made clear to us and we know where to apply our personal lock at the start of every shift. It's very important that we feel safe whilst working on plant and equipment, and Tarmac take time to do this. The shutdown involves a lot of confined space working, and Tarmac take this very seriously. Entry points are clearly marked and a copy of the confined space risk assessment and the safe entry procedure are clearly displayed. This gives us the confidence that it's safe for us to enter and that all the necessary precautions have been taken.
Daily progress meetings are held to review the previous 24-hour safety performance. The meeting is attended by Tarmac management and contractors to address any safety issues and to discuss major events taking place during the next 24 hours. After the shutdown, we hold a review meeting to carry out a SWOT analysis of the performance. This gives the whole team, including contractors, the opportunity to highlight what went well and what we can do better to make sure we continually improve our performance, most importantly keeping people safe.
Our focus on improving systems and planning around the shutdown have helped us to ensure our business is safer than ever by continually raising the standards and identifying areas for improvement. This is good for Tarmac, but we've also had a great opportunity to share our learning with the wider industry via the MPA cement workshops.